At a curve in a sloping road leading away from central Himeji, Japan, a box-shaped residence with a square opening in the wall comes into view. The residential neighborhood where it is located lies at the foothills, and the house is positioned on a corner lot, offering sweeping views of the city. The house in Himeji is organized over 2 floors. Private areas are located on the first floor, while social spaces occupy the upper level. Upon entering, a doma, a concrete-floored area where shoes may be worn, greets visitors. This space also doubles as an area for playing table tennis, requiring a relatively large area. While not clearly defined, the doma serves as a central core and point of reference, connecting all other rooms on the first floor. The house features a large opening in the southwestern wall, positioned at a floor level intentionally lower than the rest of the residence. This variation in floor levels is repeated throughout the house, enriching the interior environment by offering different angles of view through this opening. On the second floor, the diversity of space is further enhanced by the inclusion of marginal areas, whose use is not clearly defined, such as a deck adjacent to the opening and a courtyard directly below it, both contributing to blurring spatial boundaries. An open-plan space integrates the kitchen, dining, and living areas. Residents can enjoy a framed view of the city through the large opening in the wall. This window also allows soft natural light to reach the lower floor, filtered through the wooden lattice of the deck above. For the finishes, the architects used cedar boards on the exterior walls, complemented by cherry flooring inside. The final design is clean, minimalist yet welcoming, introverted yet still outward-looking. The house offers various connections with the outside world through its varied floor levels and marginal spaces, all centered around the large wall opening.